In this video, I will show you how to set up Grandstream Wave on your mobile phone with your VoIP.ms account. Once fully set up, you will be able to make and receive calls. Grandstream Wave is a widely used soft phone that is available on Android and iOS. Check out the links in the description box below if you currently don't have it installed on your mobile. For the purpose of this video, I will show you how to do it with an Android. To get started, head to Settings, Account Settings, and press on the blue cross at the top right of your screen and select SIP Account. Next, Activate Account should be blue checked. Then, account name can be set to your name or simply to VoIP.ms. SIP server is the server you wish to use with VoIP.ms in order to make calls. Your best choice is a server close to your physical location. I will set it to newyork8.voip.ms. The full list of servers appears in the description box below. SIP user ID is your VoIP.ms 6-digit account number. You can find this information in your portal directly on the main page. SIP Authentication ID is also your 6-digit account number, so simply type it once again. Password is usually the password you use to log into your VoIP.ms portal. If you use sub-accounts, it will be the respective sub-account password. For voicemail user ID, set it to *97. Finally, display name is where you can set your name or the name of your company. I will set it to VoIP.ms. Now that you are done, press the blue check mark at your top right. Head back to the initial page under Settings and you will see your newly made account. You will also see the registration status changing from red to green, which means it is now registered. You can also confirm your registration by heading to the VoIP.ms customer portal homepage. Scroll down to Registration Status and you'll be able to see the status of your main account or sub-account based on your specific use case. Next, you will need to configure your DID number so that you can also receive calls on your soft phone. Head to your VoIP.ms customer portal, DID numbers, manage DIDs, and then edit the number of your choice. By default, your routing settings will be set to SIP/IAX and to main account. This can be changed if you wish to route calls to a sub-account, ring group, or more. Here, I will leave it as is. Scroll down to DID Point of Presence and select the server you have registered your soft phone to. In my case, I had set it up to New York 8. Once done, head all the way down and apply the changes. Finally, you will need to set up a proper caller ID number. Click on Main Menu, Account Settings, and then click on the General tab. Under the Caller ID Number section, you will be able to either use one of your existing VoIP.ms DID numbers or a custom caller ID like your personal mobile phone number. Here, I will set it to my VoIP.ms DID number. Once done, simply apply the changes. Now that you have everything fully configured, let's do a quick test. I will make a call to the VoIP.ms toll-free line and make sure it connects. And there we go.
Thank you for calling VoIP.ms. For service in English, press 1 now.
And this is how you can make and receive calls with Grandstream Wave and VoIP.ms. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.